Everybody asking how we doing, say we good. Don't need no one to tell me how to live just like they would. It ain't their business, but they in it, I don't know why. Revolved around my life after I found another.
Hello, good day everyone. My name is Jessamine C. Alvarez, 19 years old, from PSP HRM Monday, and I live in Rosales Street, Quinin, R86, Cotabato City. I was born in Cotabato City, and I love listening to music, cover some songs, and watching movies and reading some stories. And I love dogs and cats, and that's all. That's all. Thank you. Administrative office management refers to the process of overseeing and coordinating various administrative tasks within an office environment. This includes managing office supplies, organizing files and documents, coordinating communication within the office, scheduling appointments, and ensuring the smooth operation of day-to-day activities. The main function of administrative management is to ensure that all administrative tasks within an organization are carried out efficiently and effectively. This includes planning, organizing, coordinating, and controlling various administrative functions to support the overall goals and objectives of the organization. The difference between primary reference source and secondary reference source lies in their originality and proximity to the original source of information. Primary, primary reference sources are original materials that provide first-hand information such as research, studies, diaries, interviews, and official documents. On the other hand, secondary reference sources are interpretations of or analysis of primary source, such as textbook, encyclopedias, and reviews articles. As the head of administration aiming to establish the best office with a top-notch management, a comprehensive approach is essential. Here's how I would manage the office to achieve this goal. First is effective communication. Implementing clear and open communication channels is crucial. Regular team meetings, feedback sessions, and an open policy can facilitate better communication among staff members, fostering a collaborative and transparent work environment. Second is streamlined process. Developing streamlined process for tasks such as document management, scheduling, and enhance efficiency. Automation of repetitive tasks and the use of project management tools can help streamline workflow and reduce manual errors. Third is employee development. Prioritizing employee development through training programs, workshops, and opportunities for skill enhancement can boost employee morale and productivity. Investing in the growth and development of staff member can lead to a more skilled and engaged workforce. So here's are the common issues or problems in administrative office management. First is communication problems. Inadequate communication can lead to misunderstandings, delay in decision-making, and decreased productivity. This issue often stems from unclear directive, poor feedback mechanics, and lack of effective communication tools. Second is poor time management. Time management is a crucial in office management. Lacking proper time management skills can result in missed deadlines and overall inefficiency. This problem often due to lack of prioritizations, excessive multitasking, and ineffective delegation. Third is inefficient workflow. Inefficient workflow can lead to bottlenecks, delays, and a waste of resources. These issues typically arise from outdated process, a lack of automation, and inadequate coordination between departments. Fourth is lack of training and development. Without proper training and development programs, employees may struggle to perform their duties effectively. This can result in low morale, high turnover rates, and decreased overall performance. The lack of training often due to budget constraint, constraints, a lack of awareness of training needs, and a failure prioritize employee development. Fifth is inadequate technology integration. Failing to integrate the latest technologies the hinder office efficiency and competitiveness. This problem is often caused by resistance to change, budget constraints, and a lack of understanding of the benefits that technology can bring to administrative process. So that's all. Thank you and enjoy. Bye.